This is the test.com quiz access codes for the NCE to help you study. These quiz codes are available until the end of the month, which is the 28th. We have a short month. And make sure you hit the notification, like, and subscribe so that when the new codes come out, you'll get that first notification. Also with new videos as well. So happy studying and thank you for supporting my channel. And I will see you next month. As mentioned earlier, these are the quiz codes. They correspond to the subject that you would like to study in with the multiple choice. You also have the option of taking the test again. You can also skip questions. So happy studying. Please let me know if you have any questions about how to use these codes, and you can leave that in the comment section of this recording. So thank you again and happy studying. If you haven't subscribed already, please make sure you do that. You support my channel. You support it being known to other people who can use these free resources. And once again, like I said, happy studying.